Isn't it true that results speaks louder than the words? And that's the time today. Exactly on 26th September, I started the meditation club in a group and we started practicing in the morning. And the first batch has finished 21-day challenge and they have shared their testimony, what transformation they found in the 21 days and what they feel now today after practicing it consistently. And these are the words, exactly. These are the testimonies which really encourage me to do something more for you all. And if you are watching this video, please, and if you really want to take action for that transformation, for that change in your life, and you want to be part of this meditation club, I'm keeping this club link open for another 20 people to come and be part of this for absolutely free. Please click that link, which is askvittal.com/medclub. So be part of this club, take up another 21-day challenge for this batch again and see what transformation it can give. It can really work on your emotional intelligence, stress management and many other benefits. Just listen to these people what they're talking about after 21-day challenge, because I've been talking about it for a long time. But now it's time for the people who have gone through that 21-day challenge and what exactly I was talking about it and how they are feeling about this. So if you are watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that bell icon so that you get consistently notification on my future videos as well. And please look around the link for the meditation club and be part of this club.
Hi friends, I'm Pankaj Desai. I'm a supply chain professional working in oil and gas sector in UAE. I just joined Vittal's meditation club 4 weeks back, and I really want to share my great experience with all of you. I really see the benefits, much benefits, real benefits for life. I'm getting really enthusiastic, more confident, more energetic and positive joining after this meditation. This meditation is really helpful for us to become successful in life in today's situation. I am feeling more energetic. I truly got inspired by being part of Vittal's meditation initiative, and highly recommend everyone to be part of this initiative. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Vanilla and I'm working as an NRI relationship manager with Axis Bank Private Limited. Today I am here to share my experience on living in meditation. I took a 21-day meditation challenge with Mr. Mane. The main reason for me to take up this challenge is only to know about myself much better, because in my regular day-to-day life I come across lot of stress and work to balance my emotional and physical strength. Today I could finish it successfully only because it was a team motivation. Together we did it. Previously I tried many times to do meditation because I know somehow I always believed meditation can transform us in a better way, but there used to be a disconnect always. But I'm feeling so happy that I could finish 21-day challenge without a miss in a day. Today I'm really feeling very happy and I'm so excited to share my experience and my change in my regular day-to-day life. I'm a kind of person where I react to negative things very fast. So by practicing meditation every day now, I could really feel that change. I'm not at all reacting to any situation very fast. That means I'm taking time to react and answer any person who is in front of me. So even my family members and friends and colleagues could see that change in this 21 days. They always surprised to know that I have joined this meditation club and I could successfully finish it. And meditation is something like everyone can do it. Only like practicing meditation every day to improve improve our health and emotional balance is at most important. So I strongly recommend you all to join our meditation club, which will really help for your betterment of your life. So now finally I would like to thank Mr. Mane for showing me the right path to live a simple life, which is allowing me to be myself actually. Today I am really very happy that I could know what I dream about. I'm just setting a small goals to finish it, to accomplish it very fast. So I am feeling so fresh every day to finish all this. And trust me guys, before going to bed I am really having a satisfied life in this busy life schedule. So I strongly recommend you to do meditation practice every day. Initially you join our club so that it will be helpful for you to practice later by yourself. So it is really impactful. You will know it yourself when you start living in that. And I hope you all are staying good and with a good health. Thank you so much for this opportunity for me to share my experience to Mr. Mane, and I wish you all the best.